If you've been looking for a simple tool that you can use to create your presentation, then I'm here to introduce to you to this AI tool that can help you create presentations within seconds. Now, what you're looking at here is a presentation that I've just created with AI app, and I did this in less than 5 seconds. I had made this presentation, and as you can see, this presentation is in slides and they are well detailed, well written, and I didn't add any of these images, neither did I write any of these lines or any of these slides that you are seeing here. This is a well-made presentation that can be presented before a company, before workers, and before stakeholders in a company. So I want to show you how you can use this tool that is better than Canva to create your presentations within seconds. And before I get started, I'll kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any AI tutorial that I make. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Let's get into it. So all you need is an idea on the presentation you want to make. And the good thing is we can use ChatGPT to do exactly that. So this is what I want ChatGPT to do for me. I intend to create a presentation on how to leverage technology to market our company products. Write for me the presentation outline for the New Age Merchants company. So that is the company name that I've just come up with for the sake of this tutorial. And then ChatGPT will go ahead and create for me the outline for the presentation that I will make. And look at that. Great. And ChatGPT went ahead and gave us 8 outlines. And this entails introduction, understanding digital marketing strategies for the New Age Merchants company. And among the strategies, it gave us social media, search engine optimization, email marketing, influencer and affiliate marketing. And then the fourth one is leveraging e-commerce and mobile marketing, data-driven marketing, emergency technologies in market, challenges and solution in digital market, and then the conclusion that includes call to action. Now, using this, I want to ask ChatGPT to go further and give me a description. So this is what I've asked ChatGPT. Great. I want to make a digital presentation that will be presented before the company workers using an AI tool called Gamma.app. Give me a description that I will paste into the AI tool for this presentation. So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT will come up with. So our description is ready, as you can see. And this is what I'm interested in for us to create our presentation. So now that we have the description, the next thing we want to do is to begin to create our presentation. And by the way, now we have done the most work. What is remaining is too little. Now that we are ready with our description and the outline, the next thing we need to do is to go and log into Gamma.app tool. And this tool is free, so you don't have to pay anything for you to create your presentation. So go ahead and log in. And here is our homepage. And as you can see here, we have a history of the presentations that I had created before. So if I click on create new, it will take us direct to the creation page. So this is the AI tool that we are going to use to create. Now we have here 3 options. We can create either using a text or we can get a prompt, and then we use this tool to generate our presentation. And alternatively, we can as well import a file or a URL, and then this tool will go ahead and generate for us our presentation. So to generate your AI presentation, go ahead and tap on generate. And then we have here a number of options: presentation, web page, document, and social. So go ahead and tap on presentation. Now, as you can see, we have to paste our prompt here or our description here. Describe what you would like to make. So we shall go ahead and paste our description here. So let me go ahead and take my description. Here we go. Then I'll come and paste it here. Now from here, before you go ahead and generate your outline, you want to go ahead and choose the number of cards. By default, it is set to 8. Now if you tap on this, you can see we have an allowance of up to 10 cards for the free account. So I'll go ahead and choose the maximum, which is 10 cards, and we are good. Now the final stage is to go ahead and generate our outline. For the others, we can leave them as they are. The language, I'll also leave it to English. So we have everything we need, and it is time to go ahead and generate our outline. Just go ahead and tap on generate. And then this tool will go ahead and give us the outline of what we are expected or what it will create for us. Now look at that. This is the outline for our 10 cards from number 1, number 2, up to number 10. If you feel you still need to add more cards, you can go ahead and tap on plus, and then you'll add extra cards. Now, as you can see, you can paste as much as you can, because it allows us up to 20,000 words I've only pasted here 875 words. So when it comes to customization on your Gamma, don't worry about this. Just let it remain at default, which is let's. Although you can go ahead and select any of these, it is still okay. So I'll leave it at that. And then for the images, don't worry, this tool will go ahead and look for the images. As you can see, it will look for AI images. So you don't have to worry about where you'll get your images. This tool will look for the appropriate images for you and then place them inside your presentation. And lastly, when we talk of models, the AI image model that it will use, you can see it is set to Flux Fast 1.1, and that is the best model that you can use for this generation. So I'll leave it at that. Great. So let's go ahead and hit generate and now see the magic of this tool. And within seconds, it will go ahead and begin the generation. And here we go. Look at that. So you have to be patient as it generates, and you are warned here, don't close the tabs. So if you close our tabs, we shall lose our generation. So our presentation is done. It is so nice. Look at that. It went ahead, looked for the appropriate images, and our presentation is here. Now, if you look at our presentation, you realize it has 10 slides. You can see this is the last slide and this is the first slide. If you're happy with the gray theme, you can leave it at that. Otherwise, you can go and change it here. And if you tap on it, you can choose any of this theme and it will be changed. For instance, if you select this, your presentation will change to that instantly. So I think I'll go with this. Look at this 10-page presentation that we have just created by a click of a button. Look at that. Now, once you have generated your presentation, you can go ahead and begin customization. If you're not happy with any of the images, you can just tap on it and then you can edit the image. You can even change the focus point on the image, and you can even change the image when you tap on this. And from here, you can even go ahead and download this image or delete it and use yours. You can even change the aspect ratios and everything about the image, even the style, you can change it. And if you want to edit any of the text here, all you need to do is to tap on the text, and then you'll see here 3 dots. When you tap on them, you have now the ability to edit anything, to change anything, or to add anything on your presentation. Now, when you look at our presentation, you will realize it is well organized and it just took minutes to create this. So you can make any change on your text. You can even edit or add anything, and then it will be captured in real time. You can even decide to delete part of your presentation. For instance, if I don't want this part showing who edited it, I can go ahead and tap on it and then use the delete button, and it will be removed from the presentation. And as you can see, it is gone. I like how it went ahead and gave us a detailed presentation. So that's how you create your presentations using Gamma app for free. So once you're done with your presentation, it's time to download it. To download your presentation, all you need is to tap on these 3 dots. And then from here, you'll see an option called export. So tap on it to download your presentation. And then you'll have to choose the format in which you want to download your presentation. So you can choose to download your presentation or all your cards in form of PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even PNG. For instance, I'll go and download in a PDF format, and this will export this PDF format to my desktop, and the export process will begin. The download should start automatically shortly, and here it is. Now look at that. So our presentation is ready and it is on our desktop. So that's how you download your presentations in Gamma app. So if you have any other question on the same, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.